Okay, hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been really long. I'm good as well. It's just like a bit of long time I've taken out of YouTube. Going through a lot of shit, and I hope that you all are doing good and great. So after taking such a huge break, I'm like, what kind of video to make as a comeback so that you guys will enjoy as well, rather than just normal stuff that I do reviews and all. So I'm going to recommend you some shows, Netflix shows that I have been binge watching. I have been watching a lot of Netflix and Amazon because I think that's really a great place to really like get into that content, know stuff, inspire yourself, also really be creative at the same time because you get a lot of ideas. Netflix is filled with lot of good content, guys. It's amazing. It's not that expensive. I would highly recommend anyone who have not tried Netflix yet, do get your hands. So make sure that if you have not subscribed, do subscribe. We are very close to 600, and you can follow me on my Instagram, and everything will be linked in the description as usual. So the first show is a web series. It's a series, and the name of the show is I'm Not Okay With This. It has one of my favorite actors in it, Sophia Lillis or Sophia Lillis, I guess. So she is also very like she's one of the famous character which was an It movie, and she's very good in her acting stuff. It's amazing. It's based on like high school where these kids are really getting into this whole drama of knowing themselves, also getting to know different aspects of their life. It's very actually you can relate a lot with that show. At the same time, it's very inspiring. Your Sophia Lillis in this. I'm not going to give a lot of spoilers, just overall preview so that you can understand some if you will like to watch it or not. So here Sophia Lillis has some kind of superpower where she is really kind of scared to show to people. She's actually dealing with that own like overall by herself. It's based on that, but it's also really like amazing with drama, some kind of romantic aspect in it. So you will highly enjoy it because it's kind of really relatable. Second one is kind of similar. The name of the show is Everything Sucks. Again, it's like a series. You have 5 to 6 different episodes in it. Here the kids are going through a lot of self-judging stuff where people judge them. We go through a lot of shit when we're teenage and all this drama of like the whole teenager life. It's based on that. At the same time, they're trying to figure out their life through different ways. They are getting into this this drama, like the school drama club, where they're trying to also prove themselves to different shows, episodes, also dealing with their own sexualities and all that. So it's based on very different aspects. You're going to learn a lot about different aspects of our life. The third one is a movie. Now, I don't know how much of you will agree with me, but this is the Gunjan Saxena. Now, leaving aside all the controversies and all the nepotism stuff, I'm not going to go there because after the whole Sushant thing, we all are just not supporting star kids or whatever. But this movie is based on real life story, right? And Janhvi Kapoor is acting in it. But leaving that aside, I think the whole story is really great to watch. It's very inspiring. The whole story is based on the father and daughter relationship, and the way it's explained, the way it is just shown, the love and the inspiration that the father gives to a daughter no matter what. No one is there beside her but only her father, and the way he tells her that everything is fine, you're going to do what you want, and she's one of recommend you. It's very inspiring, specifically for women. It's going to be very, very inspiring. Show that was just I think launched on Netflix. I did watch it. It has again two of my favorite persons, Sabrina and Liza Koshy. Both of them are my favorite. I will not say Liza as actor, but okay, if she's doing acting, then why not? Okay, both of them has so it's based on this again high school stuff where they're about to graduate, and Sabrina, where she is really dealing like she wants to get a job, but she has to also prove that through some ways that she's doing something, and then she joins this dance group. Again, this dance group doesn't like accept her because she's not that great, so she starts her own dance group and then prove it by herself. While Liza Koshy is her best friend, and then they do amazing in that, and the way she transforms. So it's like from knowing nothing about dance, then being the lead. It's like that transformation, how she goes through those things because she wants to do it, and that's how it is. So it's like very inspiring. Again, it has some romantic glimpses in it about Sabrina and the whole thing. So I think you will really enjoy it. Full of drama, full of inspiring stuff. At the same time, it's like romantic bits here and there. So you will like it. Airplane Mode. Now this story is this movie is one of my favorites. It's Portuguese subtitles, but you can also get English. But this movie is literally based on like literally reality, where we are constantly on our phone, and whatever we are doing we want to show on internet. It's like no matter what. So it's based on like a girl who is a digital content creator, and she has everything out on internet about whatever she is doing, and she doesn't give time to her family, and always there are a lot of problems in her life because of this whole network issues, and most of the time she was like she faced lots of accidents. Kind of plans to give her kind of punishment thing, and then they take her phone off and send her to their grandpa's place, where it's like totally like village area. There is nothing, there is no network, there is no Wi-Fi, nothing. And there it's like a digital detox where she actually learns about her roots. She learns about, there is no matter what, the phone and this on internet stuff is nothing. She learns about herself. She becomes very grounded. She also creates a very good relationship with her grandfather, and at the same time then she also learns to respect her parents and also really enjoy the whole relative stuff, reality things, rather than just like the whole internet and this and that. So it's a really good movie to watch. You will relate to this movie to core. It's amazing. Okay, real life based problems. If you want more of such, let me know in my comments and I will do more of such. But there are more videos coming your way. No pause now. I hope that you will continue watching my videos. Do support me, do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.